Okay.
Answers.
Yes, we were doing the fill in the blanks. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
you guys just have to raise your hand, and I'll ask anyone to give me the answer. Nobody will give the random answer. Remember. Okay. Only the one will unmute and give me the response. Okay. No random responses, please. Just raise your hand. Yes, first fill in the blanks. Fabric is made from. I want to hear from Prithvi Neeli. Yes, Prithvi. Yes, Prithvi. Unmute yourself.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
I
Ma'am,
want
can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
you guys don't have to do this thing, ma'am. Can I tell? You have raised your hand. That is fine. Okay, I'm asking Cherry Vijay. Yes, Cherry.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, certain. Ma'am, fabrics is made from certain fibers.
You don't have to write certain, only fiber. Okay. Write down fiber, F-I-B-R-E. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll keep on
Ma'am,
writing.
only fiber.
Yes, fiber. I'll write it down on the board page. Response, keep yourself muted again. Okay.
Ma'am.
That will be convenient for you guys.
Ma'am.
Wait here.
Ma'am, please ask the questions. Ma'am, I have a problem.
Later on here. Right now we are going with the question answers. Let me do that.
Ma'am, I'm not able to chat.
You are not able to?
Chat. Ma'am, when I'm sending the message, it is coming that ma'am is not in the meeting.
No, it's not like that. What do you want to say? You are having the option to speak now. Now what? All right.
Ma'am,
Is
I
the
was
visible to
sending the
everyone?
answers and I'm not able to send.
मैम आप क्वेश्चन बोर्ड पे लिख पाओगे?
Yes, I'm writing the answers on the board. So keep on writing along with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we are doing the fill-ups.
बोर्ड पे दिखा रही थी और मैम
Like now, see, we are doing.
your problem.
First is fiber. Okay. Now come to the second one.
मैम silk.
Second is dash and dash is an animal fiber. So you can write
Ma'am, silk and wool. Ma'am, wool and silk.
Wool.
Ma'am, wool and silk. Ma'am, wool and silk. तो सिल्क एंड वूल एक ही बात है.
fiber. Cotton is a, you can write down fiber.
Cotton is a soft fiber. Yes, ma'am, soft fiber.
मैम आप दिखती नहीं silk. मैम plant fiber.
Is it visible? Dishti diet, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Grown in black soil. It is grown in black soil.
Black soil.
Yes.
Ma'am, your camera is moving here and there. So I'm
Okay. It is grown in black soil. Alright. Next is after harvesting, cotton is sent for gaining. Alright. These are the fill-ups. Okay, now let's move towards the section B, that is MCQ. We can see the enlarged view of a fabric using our dash. Now I want to get the answer from, let me check, Dishi Sharma. Okay, only Dishi will unmute herself. Only Dishi will unmute her. All right. Nobody else will unmute themselves. Yes, Dishi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me know the answer, Dishi.
Ma'am, please side I'm not able to see.
Is it visible now?
मैम किसका बताना है?
Yes, Dishi. Give me the
मैम
answer.
किसका बताना है?
The first MCQ. We can see the enlarged view of a fabric using a how we may get the enlarged view. Okay, I want Palak to give the answer. Yes, Palak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, see magnifying glass.
Yes, see magnifying glass. Okay. So now we are going with the MCQs. Section B. Okay. Section B, question number A. Magnifying glass. All right. Now let's move towards the second one. Second is on pulling and dressing the yarn, we get fibers. Third one, which of the following fabrics shrink on burning? So the answer, what will be the answer? Which of these fabrics shrink on burning? Can take, raise your hands. Okay, I want to hear from Abhishek. Yes, Abhi. Unmute yourself, Abhi.
Ma'am, microbes.
Sorry.
Ma'am, microbes.
Third one, which of the following fabric shrinks on burning? Cotton, silk. Which will?
Cotton. Ma'am, cotton.
Cotton will shrink.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Look in your book now. Third MCQ I'm asking about.
Ma'am, first or second?
You have done? And I have written on the board.
Okay.
Yes, let me know
Ma'am,
about
एक minute.
it.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, silk.
Okay. I want to know from Dishti. Dishti, is he correct? Yes, Dishti.
Both of these.
Yes, ma'am.
Is he correct? Is the silk is the correct option?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now we are going towards the very short questions, right? So, two natural fibers obtained from plants and animals, and I want to get answer from Karnik Sangi. Yes, Karnik?
हाँ ये बुक में ही करना है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All these questions you have to do in the book only. With a pencil. The next short questions you will write in your copy. Okay. These you have to do in your book only. Okay. Yes, Karnik, give me the answer for the first very short question.
Ma'am, very
Plants का
short
आएगा
answer question we have to do in our copy.
Yes, colors.
Ma'am,
Excuse me,
very
ma'am.
short question answer
क्यों
हमने
very short
कॉपी में
question
डाला।
answers हैं?
Not very short,
क्यों
only short and long.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Only short and long you guys have to do in your copy. And now only Karnik will unmute himself to give me the answer.
मैम प्लांट्स का आएगा जूट और कॉटन और एनिमल का आएगा सिल्क।
Answer for short questions.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer of question number first of very short question? Ma'am, may I?
Wait, first we have done now. Let's write down that. Don't unmute yourself until and unless I don't call your name, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. Cotton and you keep on writing along with me, everyone.
Ma'am, can we write the examples our own?
Yes, you may.
Can I tell?
Who mixed fibers? Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, I'm checking who has raised their hand. I want to go to Rhythm Narukan this time. Rhythm. Unmute yourself, Rhythm. Rhythm, unmute yourself. Give me the response.
Yes, ma'am.
To mix fiber. Cherry Vijay. Yes.
Terry silk and terry wool.
Okay, very good. Terry silk and terry wool.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing it over here. Terry wool. The third one. Devices for making fabrics from yarn. Okay. I want to hear from Cherry this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Cherry, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, me please. Name two devices from making
What are these two
fabrics from.
devices?
Ma'am, एक minute.
Very good, Cherry. Yes, someone.
Ma'am, roller again.
Sorry.
and weaving.
Devices for making.
Ma'am, roller again.
From yarn is handled by power loom, beta.
Ma'am, roller again.
is not coming. Handloom and power looms.
Yes. Okay. All right. Now, next fourth is what is handloom? I'm writing over here. You guys may copy me. I think the upper portion I may rub now. Okay. Give me
Yes,
1
ma'am.
second.
मैम आपका वीडियो इज ऑफ है.
Ma'am, your video is off. On है. Ma'am,
Govindra is there with us. Yes. Next, I'm writing over here. What is hand loop? Keep on writing with me. Question number 4. What is hand loop? A loop that is used to weave clothes.
ma'am, can I tell?
You guys may write.
Ma'am, done.
Next.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible to me. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, वेव के आगे क्या लिखा है? मैम टू के आगे क्या लिखा है?
मैम यूज्ड टू के आगे क्या लिखा है?
Yes. Again, repeating this. Please check it.
मैम यूज के आगे क्या यूज टू के आगे क्या लिखा है?
A loom that is used to weave cloth without the use of any electricity.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट
And I'm
अगेन.
repeating myself. That is used to weave cloth without the use of any electricity. A loom that is used to weave cloth without the use of any electricity. Hand weaving is done. Continue in this. Hand weaving is done.
मैम अब तो आएगा ही नहीं बुक में.
You can write in lower down. ना थोड़ा नीचे लिख दो. It's perfectly fine.
मैम फिर अगला क्वेश्चन भी डिफाइन ही है. डिफाइन भी नहीं.
That we will mark. That we will mark on the page.
मैम इसके आगे क्या है?
That is used to weave clothes without the use of any electricity. Hand weaving is done.
Okay. Question 4 is done. Ma'am, can I tell last question?
Okay, answer 5 you want to tell. Define ginning. You may tell now the page number also. Okay, you have to tell the page number also, on which page number it is being given.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
Page
may I
number
tell?
32. The cotton fiber is separated from.
raise your hand. Don't shout, mammy, please. Yes, I want to hear from Mansi Shekhawat this time.
The cotton
The cotton fibers are separated from their seeds by this cotton.
Yes, everyone, open page number
I'm in
32.
page number 32.
Open page number 32. Open page number 32. Ginning, the definition of ginning is given over here. The very first check from fiber to fabric, in that ginning is being provided, right? So write down in that the cotton fibers are separated from their seeds. The cotton fibers are separated from their seeds by the process of ginning. The first two lines. Okay, this is the definition you have to write. You may mark it here, and at the back you may write the page number only. Write it here, answer short script. And at the back, you may write the page number 32. Okay? All right. Let's start the next one. Next are the short question answer, then long and then thoughts. Okay? That I'm going to, it's not possible for me to write it down on the board. So I'll provide you the PDF for that. Okay? Let me discuss it with you guys once. Give me 1 minute. Have you guys written this? Everyone? Have you done this? All of you have done? Okay. Everybody is saying yes, ma'am. All right. So let's discuss the next short answer. Why do we wear clothes? Okay. So let me share the PDF with you guys. Give me 1 minute for that. Now I'm going to share my PDF with you guys of my notes, as well as it's having the question answers also. Okay. Yes, is it visible? Show me your thumbs up. Give me your response. Yes, Suman, is it visible? Okay, Ashika. All right. So these are the notes from the very beginning. Okay. I hope it must be visible to you now, Manju. All right. So now, okay, it's visible to everyone. Now I'm turning the page. These notes, you guys have taken the clip. Okay. So I'm just going towards the question answers only. All right. All of you have written this, right? The MCQs which were provided in the middle part of the chapter, that also we have discussed. 10-2, I have written the solutions over here. You may take a click if you haven't, if anybody has not attended the previous class. All right, now move towards the short question answer. First is, why do we wear clothes? हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? So we wear clothes to cover our body and protect our bodies from weather conditions such as heat, cold, and rain. Okay. Next question is, all of you have to do these short questions in the copy. Okay. Next is classify the following fibers into natural and synthetic, and you are provided with the option of nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, and jute. All right. Okay. So we have classified them. Wool, cotton, silk, and jute are natural, as we know, and nylon and polyester are synthetic. Okay. I hope you guys must have noted down or taken a screenshot. Now next. Okay, next I want to hear from you guys. From which parts of plant are cotton and jute obtained? Who want to give me the answer? Only they will raise their hands. Answer me for the third one. Okay, Cherry is raising her hand. From which parts of plant are cotton and jute obtained? Okay, I want to hear from Rhythm this time. Yes, Rhythm, unmute yourself. Rhythm, speak up. Yes, Rhythm, may I hear from you? I think connectivity issue from her hand, so I want to go hear from Astha now. Astha. Astha, unmute yourself. Astha, unmute yourself. Yes.
Some natural fibers are wool, cotton, silk, and jute, and synthetic fibers are polyester and nylon.
You guys may answer in the chat box also. You guys may write the answer in the chat boxes also. Okay. Okay, Rhythm, come on, beta. I was asking for the next one. From which parts of plant are cotton and jute obtained? You may write in the chat box also. Okay, Rhythm is saying she can't unmute herself. She is giving the answer that from flower we get the cotton. And what about jute, Rhythm?
Ma'am,
Jute is obtained from stem of the plant. Okay, Rhythm is correct. Palak is also correct. Okay. So here is the answer. Cotton is obtained from the flower of the plant and jute is obtained from the stem.
clear. Ma'am, voice is not clear.
Hope my voice will be clear now to you guys. If it is, give me your thumbs up. Give me your reactions. Is it clear now? It must be clear now. All right. So next is, you may take the screenshot of this. Okay, Vishal, thank you so much. My voice is too clear to Vishal. Next is how are fibers classified? Give two example of these. So here we have classified natural, synthetic, and mixed. And two examples we have given. Okay, cotton, silk, and jute for natural, nylon, rayon, polyester for synthetic, and terracotta and terry silk for mixed. Okay. Next, Nitika sees a poor man shivering in the cold outside her house. She takes permission from her mother and give him an old blanket. Name the fibers used for making blankets. Which fibers? This you have to do by yourself. This is the value-based question. Name the fiber used for making blankets. Okay? Yes. Wool is being made. Okay? And which value is shown by Nitika? Which value is shown by Nitika? She is very kind-hearted. Okay? This question you will do by yourself. And all other questions also. Yes, Palak, you are correct. Kindness. Okay? So up to here, up to short questions. Now you have to do only these 5 short questions in your copy. Okay? Yes, Manju, what's your problem? Let me come to you. Okay, thank you so much for today's class, everyone. Now the next long questions we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much for today's class. Thank you, Dishrita. Thank you so much, dear. Same with you. All of you are also my lovely kids. Yes, question number 5, you guys have to do by yourself. Have a good day to everyone. Thank you. Before leaving, I want to hear from Manju. She is having some problem. She is raising her hand. Let me hear to her. Yes, Manju. Unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
मैम हमने चैप्टर 1 और 2 के मैम को क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं किए तो मैम आप पीडीएफ सेंड कर दोगे क्या?
Beta, I have provided all the PDFs in the school. You just have to contact in the school premises. Okay? They will provide you.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. I'm leaving. I'm having another class, so I'm leaving you guys. Nobody is having any other doubts? Karnik Sangi is still having some problem. Let me hear to him now. Find out the long questions, okay? Let me hear to Karnik now. Yes, Karnik, unmute yourself.
ये एक्सक्यूज मी मैम. मैम ये जो आपने मैम अभी हम स्क्रीन शो कही है मैम, ये स्क्रीन शो कर रहे हैं मैम, उसका 5 वाला जो क्वेश्चन है मैम हमको समझ में नहीं आया.
Next question. The short.
Yes,
Okay, we will discuss it again tomorrow. Let everyone write down their answers and then we will discuss it again. Okay?
okay मैम.
Okay, fine. So I'm stop sharing this now.
Yes मैम.
Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you मैम.